Hi everyone. So previously we have discussed about various box features and covered topics such as box login, TPIN generation, IPO application, EDIS process, bank modification, addition of segment and many more. But today we shall cover another features of box such as holdings and position. To check this, we need to log in Box and you must be familiar that Box can be logged in directly through trading apps or by using Google Chrome browser, and you can enter the link as box.tradesmartonline.in. Once you log in Box, in the menu list, click on Portfolio. Here you shall see holdings as well as position. Now let us check holdings first. So once you tap on holdings, you can check all the stocks you hold in your demat account, that is stocks in holdings. And next you can even check the stocks purchased but yet to be delivered from the exchange in stocks in clearance, as you must be aware that it takes T plus 2 days for delivery of stocks from the exchange. Third, you can also check stocks in lock-in period in case if you have any. Also, in case if your POA is not updated, you can use this option authorize holdings, and the details of this are already available in our other video, that is EDIs. Now coming back to stocks in holdings, you shall get all the details regarding the scripts that you hold in your demat account. So you can check your buy average price. Now please note that the buy average price is calculated based on FIFO method, and a detailed information regarding FIFO calculation is available in the help section here in the bottom part. Apart from buy average price, you can also check the investments, closing price, your script valuation, and the profit and loss in amount as well as percentage. Please note that the profit and loss will be calculated based on the closing prices. You can then also download these reports if required using these options. Next is the positions option. So this is a report which is meant particularly for derivatives, that is futures and options only. So you can choose your segment first, select the date and click on the go option to get details regarding your position. Please note that this report will display all the details for open position. So it can be in any segment, it can be equity futures or options. It can also be currency futures and option contracts as well as commodity contracts. Now, similar to the stocks in holdings, in position also you can check the average price for your open position. You can also check the closing price as well as the profit and loss. Here also the profit and loss will be based on the closing price. Thank you.